You want to eat grains? Fine. You want to smoke cigarettes? Fine. You want to have an addiction? Fine. You don't have to eat grains.
Let's ask Loren Cordain. Are hunter-gatherer diets practical to feed the world's population?
There are more than 6 billion people alive on the planet in the 21st century. Cereal grains provide more than half of the energy required to feed the world's people. Without cereal grains, there would be massive starvation of unprecedented proportion on the planet. We have walked down a path of absolute dependence upon cereal grains, a path that cannot be reversed.
You want to eat grains? Fine. You want to smoke cigarettes? Fine. You want to have an addiction? Fine. You don't have to eat grains.